How to order a ride on the Grab app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen will look something like this. Here you'll see an option called transport. Simply tap on it. Then make sure to turn your locations on your settings before proceeding to the further steps. So then tap on an option called where to, then select your preferred location where you want to go. Then tap on choose this pickup option, which is located on the bottom of your screen. After you tap on it, you can choose all the options according to your preference. I'll simply choose the first option. Then tap on book standard car only option, which is located on the bottom of your screen. Then after tapping on it, you'll see two options called verify with selfie and add credit or debit card. Tap on your preferred option, and after completing all the steps, your ride will be on the way to pick you up. So these are some simple steps that you can follow to order a ride on the Grab app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.